Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're sticking around here in Uniontown today, picking up another post-mitigation test. This time we brought this test in from the outside and actually ran it through the sump system of the home here, putting on one of our own custom airtight sump pump covers. Third of it is available to be lifted off just in case there needed to be any kind of maintenance work or any kind of replacement done on the sump system itself. The owners will still have access to it, but we use the perforated drain tile that already exists in the system to be able to draw air from all the way around the perimeter of the home without having to be too invasive into the concrete slab, which allows us to pretty much just drop a line through our sump cover and use the existing structures of the home to be able to draw air without having to drill through the subslab. You can see coming up here, here's our manometer. It's pulling at about a ½ inch. We use a 145 fan on this job, so it's pulling at a pretty good rate here. And then had it come up and exit out the side of the house here, and then above the roof line. The original test for this house came back at 6.0, and with the mitigation system installed, we were able to drop that number down to 0.4, which again is an awesome drop in radon levels and another successful mitigation here at Radon Eliminator. So stay tuned for some more content, and thanks for joining us, you guys.